It's a local parade we came up on, and here's the parade, you know, show just going by us. Must be a famous person on top of the car. I don't know.
There's no driver.
It's a self-driving Volkswagen City, I'm sure. Must be. Look at those turns.
Oh my gosh. Hey guys. So, I'm renovating my trailer. You can see I've taken the window coverings off, and I've pretty much demolished the floor. I took off the carpet, took off all kinds of stuff, and I took out the couch, demolished the couch. I kept the chairs and the table. I like them, so I'm gonna put them back in. But I want to clear up the walls, probably going to paint them white, but probably going to redo all the paneling as well, because I got lots of stuff right there. You can see there's some mold over there. There's some green mold over here, which is kind of weird. And yeah, some mold under the windows, which I guess is normal. Especially because these windows aren't perfect and they can leak water pretty easily. So I'm thinking of taking the paneling off at least up to there. I'm gonna measure up 4 feet because then I can actually put new paneling on sideways, and that'd be a lot easier than having to redo the whole thing, and cheaper. And I'm gonna redo the roof because I've heard mice walking around, and I'm like, well, why do you have enough space to walk around? So I'm gonna try and figure out an easy way to do that. Hopefully it's easy. If not, I guess you'll find out. I'm really sad. I was gonna take this out tonight, but I've kind of like this station here, this corner. I have my huge like TV going all like right there, and I hooked it all up, and it's just kind of sad to get rid of it. So I don't know, but I'm probably by next week I'll have it all smashed out, wall cut up a bit. There's some leakiness in the corner. I'm gonna have to caulk everything on the outside, all the joints, because it's clearly leaking in something on the corners. Generally, these trailers they stick like this little like 1/2 inch by 1/2 inch like corner on it. And I'm like, what are you guys thinking? Like, I mean, why wouldn't you go like a full inch and like put something solid in there and something that'll last? And how much extra would it cost you? But whatever. Anyways, I'm gonna have to redo those corners. Nice thing about these newer trailers, though, I don't know when they decided to change over to aluminum, but you can see that you've got an aluminum bottom plate to the wall, and pretty much aluminum everywhere. It's aluminum framed in, so I don't have to worry about the frame whatsoever. I'll show you guys a picture of my old trailer and the craziness I went through. I probably won't post the videos because they are really long, and they're, yeah, like I literally ended up having to rebuild the entire thing, and I might as well have trashed the thing, burnt it, and then rebuilt on the trailer frame, and probably would have ended up with some better product, but probably just going to turn it into a workshop, seeing as I already insulated and sealed it. But this one, it's nice because I don't have to worry about the frame. I don't have to worry about most of the structure and anything else. It's just the really thin paneling on the outside. You can see the foam insulations behind it. So it's already pretty well sealed. There's like no gap between the frame and the insulation. So I'm pretty well just gonna like, yeah, rip off the 1/4 inch paneling and just glue on some new stuff, because that's basically what they did here. They just painted on glue and stuck it on the wall. So and then the roof, I don't know what they did for the roof, but I'm gonna find out, and I don't think it's gonna be a big deal, but I hope it's not a big deal, because I'm just hoping to rip down the panel, and then put up a new one. Like, clean it out, whatever's up there, clean it out. If there's gaps between the foam, spray foam it, and yeah. But this is how far I got so far. So yeah. This guy, I'm thinking of replacing it with plywood, because I don't know why, but on the inside they put plywood, right? Plywood's like really good, a good kind of wood to put places, because it's not gonna get wrecked with moisture as easily. But on the pullout, they put like press board, and so then that thing just got wrecked. Like, so I'm thinking of just buying like a 12-foot sheet of plywood and replacing it. That sounds like a lot of work. Probably is. May not end up doing it, but we'll see as we go. Just one step at a time. This week was ripping up the carpet, demolishing some stuff, and seeing if it's where we're at, what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna see what happens next, and I guess so are you. Well, I'll show you me wrecking the place.